everyone, Chris Wenstrom at MarineMax Coco next to a brand new Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. We're going to show you a couple features on this boat. We're going to start here on the side. You can see we did do this in a white hull color with a nice light blue accent trim color here on the back. Very simple boat, not a whole lot to it, which makes it very functional, very customizable for whatever you'd like to do to it. As you can see, we have a nice big finished out storage compartment up front where your anchor storage would be. And what's nice too is on this newer model we do have a nice dry storage here on the back of the console, all fitted with a nice gasket. We did leave this blank so we could, like I said, customize it as we want. We have two cup holders here in the center and one right there for the driver as well. Nice recessed railing inside. Two nice swim platforms off the back. 40 horsepower Mercury outboard. And a nice 4-step telescoping ladder for water entry. Very simple, very easy, very practical boat to use. Love to have you guys in this. Stop by and see this boat as well as everything else here at MarineMax Coco. 321-636-3142. Thanks again.